Hey guys, what's up? Hey, lately I've been struggling with my camera. GoPro has gave me some issues, so I haven't been able to record that much. The car looks way different from the last time you guys seen it. Of course, it's running. I got a clip that I'm gonna throw in there so you guys can see it and how it sounds. I still have a lot to sort out on the car. My AC is not working right now. My speedo is not working. I got a couple issues. This I have to fix. I had to I need an air oil separator. I got one right here, and I have another one that I'm gonna be putting back here for the crankcase ventilation back here somewhere. Anyways, I got a couple issues like this hose right here. It has a leak somewhere. I need to get this done, but for the other side. And then of course I need the bumper. I need to cut it. It's over there. I still haven't got that color matched. I had to cut it first, and then I'm gonna send it to my painter so he can go ahead and do that for me. The car is running. It's on stock tune. So far I have driven it around 500 to 1,000 miles, maybe not 1,000 exactly, but yeah, give or take 500-700 miles. I've got wheels. I got a couple things that, you know, I'll go out and sort eventually. I'm happy with the car as it sits. I was thinking about lowering it. I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now. Looks pretty decent with stock ride height, in my opinion. But yeah, today I'm gonna be doing the AC, which it wasn't working. It had a leak up here, so I'll go ahead and do that today. And then upcoming, I was gonna do an oil cooler back there, but there's just like too tight for the oil cooler I have, so I decided to just put the adapter here and put it in the front. I'll be doing that in a future video. And then this ram right here we bought, and I'm gonna rebuild it. I'm gonna fix it. I want to keep it. It's a 2018. It's of course a 3500. It's the Cummins. It has the high output Cummins with 385 horsepower and 930 foot-pounds of torque, I think. It has the ASIN 6-speed, and of course it used to be a work truck, so I mean, you know, it has problems. I gotta fix it. I gotta go through the whole thing. The engine is fine. Everything on it, it's really cool. Of course, you know, I had to take out the front. This right here is the only part that is kind of messed up. Aside from that, I'm putting this big ass tires on it. These are not the factory ones, like the ones that we bought the truck with. Back here you can see this is what we got the truck with, and now this is what we're putting. Like, it's a big difference. So I'm gonna need a spacer kit for the back, so that way I can take out the tire, and that way they won't hit right here or rub. In the front, I think it's called the lower control arm or traction bar. I don't know what it's called, honestly. Right there is kind of bent, so I push the whole wheel back. Of course you can see it right there, and I have to get a new one and push it all to the front again, get all that alignment correct. And this is a Tradesman, I believe. It's not, you know, the most luxurious thing, just kind of basic. It has the rear camera. It has a couple goodies. High output Cummins, that's what I care about the most. But I want to keep this thing for me, and do some things with it. We'll see what I can figure out, if I can keep it. We'll see what we do with this eventually. It has some damage. Most likely I'm gonna repaint the whole thing. I'm gonna send it to somebody so they can like repaint it. I don't know what color I'll be getting, but we'll see. I have some ideas in mind. I'm thinking of a red, something like a Formula Red or something like that. That would be pretty nice on that truck. But yeah, we got this car, you know, almost done. It's missing a couple things. It's not completely done. It's running. It's taking me to work. It's doing what it has to do. Stock tune, I'm keeping it there. I'm not like launching the car, running it. I've got on it, and so far it's being okay. I have the access port that I'm monitoring everything on it. There's a reason why the stock tune, or the tune that I have, doesn't go in here. It's not my access port, it's not my cable, it's more of the speed sensors and some wiring issue that I have to figure out somewhere back there. I don't know where it is. Once I get that figured out, then I can put the tune on it, because right now it's locked, like the ECU is locked. I can read it, I can clear codes, I can see if the car is running lean or whatever, but it doesn't let me put a code into it. This right here is the next project we have coming up. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can covered with this. This one runs and drives already. We moved it from the other side where the Ram was to over here. It's a Cummins as well, but it's the 5.0 V8. This one, of course, is the big boy 6.7. Not saying that this one's little, I think it's huge too, but I thought the truck was huge until we put it next to this one. Then we realized that this thing is massive. And then I got a little baby car right here. Anyways, let's go ahead and get the AC done on this thing. I'll try to record as much as I can, and I'll go for a drive and show you how the car sounds.